Ever wondered how much free really costs? We're bombarded with free trials, free apps, and free services every day. But is there always a catch? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular free financial tools out there, Credit Karma. Specifically, we're tackling the big question, is Credit Karma actually free? Think about it. You're trying to improve your financial health. You want to keep an eye on your credit score, understand your credit reports, maybe even explore loan or credit card options. And then you stumble upon Credit Karma, promising all of this for the grand total of $0. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? That's what we're here to unpack. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish some context. Why is knowing your credit score important in the first place? Well, your credit score is essentially a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. Lenders use it to assess how likely you are to repay a loan. A higher score generally means better interest rates on loans and credit cards, making big purchases like a car or a house more affordable. A lower score, on the other hand, can lead to higher interest rates or even loan denials. So, having access to your credit score and reports is crucial for managing your financial life. This is where services like Credit Karma come in. They offer free credit scores and reports from 2 of the major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion. They also provide credit monitoring, which alerts you to changes in your credit reports, and tools to help you understand your credit profile. All of this, supposedly, for free. But here's the thing, nothing in life is truly free. Businesses need to make money somehow. So, if we're not paying for Credit Karma directly, how are they generating revenue? This is the core of our investigation today. The answer lies in how Credit Karma operates its business model. They primarily make money through referrals and advertising. When you use Credit Karma to check your credit score or explore financial products, you'll often see recommendations for credit cards, loans, and other financial services. These recommendations aren't just random suggestions. Credit Karma partners with financial institutions, and when you click on a recommendation and get approved for a product, Credit Karma receives a commission. This is called affiliate marketing. Think of it like this. Credit Karma acts as a middleman, connecting consumers with financial products. They get paid when that connection results in a successful transaction. In essence, they're getting paid by the financial institutions, not directly by you, the user. Now, does this mean there's a hidden cost to using Credit Karma? Not exactly. You're not paying them directly with money, but your data is being used. When you sign up for Credit Karma, you provide them with personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and financial details. This data is used to personalize the recommendations you see on the platform. It's also used for marketing purposes, allowing Credit Karma to target you with relevant offers. This raises some important points about privacy. It's crucial to understand how your data is being used and to be comfortable with it. Credit Karma has a privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and share your information. It's always a good idea to review these policies before using any online service. Another aspect to consider is that Credit Karma provides credit scores from only 2 of the 3 major credit bureaus. The third bureau, Experian, is not directly included in Credit Karma's free service. While the scores from Equifax and TransUnion are valuable, it's important to remember that they might not perfectly align with your Experian score. This can sometimes lead to discrepancies when you apply for credit. Furthermore, the credit scores provided by Credit Karma are often Vantage scores, not FICO scores. While both are widely used credit scoring models, FICO scores are generally considered the industry standard, especially by lenders. This doesn't mean Vantage scores are useless, but it's important to be aware of the difference. So, let's recap. Is Credit Karma free? Yes, in the sense that you don't pay a direct fee to use the service. However, they make money through affiliate marketing and by using your data to personalize recommendations. This allows them to generate revenue without charging users directly. Are there any downsides? Yes, there are a few things to keep in mind. The scores provided might not perfectly match your Experian score or your FICO score. Also, you need to be comfortable with how your data is being used. Ultimately, Credit Karma can be a valuable tool for monitoring your credit health and exploring financial products. It provides convenient access to credit scores and reports, and it can help you understand your credit profile. However, it's important to use it with a clear understanding of how it works and what its limitations are. In conclusion, Credit Karma offers a valuable service without a direct cost to the user. They generate revenue through partnerships with financial institutions and by using user data for personalized recommendations. While there are some nuances to be aware of, it's a legitimate and useful tool if you understand how it operates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.